Namaste everyone, my name is Basna. I study first class science. Today I am going to tell about our state Telangana. Today I am dressed in Telangana dress. Telugu Ammayi. The Telangana is a new state in India. The Telangana capital is Hyderabad. The Chief Minister of Telangana is KCR. The Telangana state animal is Jinka. The Telangana flower is Tangedu. The Telangana fruit is mango. The Telangana bird is Palapitta. The sports is Kabaddi. The Telangana has lot of tourist places. Charminar, Golconda, Zoo Park. The famous festivals are Bonalu and Batkama. Thank you.